I'm going to be showing you how to upload a listing on Etsy. So here's a clear step-by-step guide to upload a listing on Etsy in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is open a browser and you need to go to etsy.com, and after you're here, you need to open Shop Manager. Make sure you're on the selling part of Etsy. So if you're not there, what you need to do is go to etsy.com like this, and then you need to add / and sell. And after that, your seller account should appear. And there you need to go to Shop Manager, and then you'll have the option of adding a new listing. All you need to do is tap on listings, and then you can add a listing, which includes photos and videos. Just upload product images up to 10. You can use clear, high quality photos. You can also add a short video which boosts trust, but it's completely optional. And you can add a title, write a keyword-rich title. And then you need to write about this listing. You need to choose who made it and what it is and when it was made. You also need to add a category. You need to select correct category. It helps Etsy show your product. So about tags, which is very important, you can add up to 13 tags, and in description you need to include what it is, what buyer gets, and how to use and important notes. You also need to learn about pricing and inventory. You need to set price and quantity and select what type of product it is and include shipping options, and then you can have a preview option as well. Then you can just preview listing and check everything looks good, and then all you need to do is publish, and that's how you upload a listing on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.